The power of stupid. Can not knowing be your secret weapon?
Welcome to Disrupting the Norm. This episode introduces Mendy Ouzillou.
Mendy Ouzillou's world has always been a vibrant tapestry of unexpected connections, fueled by a childhood where science and art intertwined. His insatiable curiosity about how things fit together became his secret weapon. He wasn't just an engineer, he was a team of one, with a diverse skill set that transcended disciplines. Mendy's story isn't just about technical feats, it's about the resilience, open-mindedness, and lifelong passions that ignited his innovative spirit. Mendy said that it all started with a little bit of stupidity. Prepare to be surprised. Mendy's story reveals a hidden ingredient for innovation, a lack of preconceived ideas.
The journey begins.
A recent college graduate, Mendy found himself on an ambitious path in innovation, a path that began at Applied Research Laboratories, where his supervisors assigned him a massive project that was a technological challenge, developing a digital beam former for a groundbreaking 3D sonar system for the Navy. This seemingly impossible task, entrusted to the newcomer, became Mendy's first major project. Armed with his recently acquired degree and a belief that any assigned task was doable, Mendy achieved what others around him deemed impossible. This formative experience solidified his approach. His childhood in a small village in southern France, surrounded by art, science, and business conversations, had instilled in him a deep curiosity and unwavering determination that fueled his efforts.
Breakthrough in semiconductor technology.
Mendy's next significant innovation at Silicon Labs involved developing a power amplifier for cell phones using CMOS technology. CMOS, the most common type of silicon chip technology, represented a breakthrough compared to the more expensive special processes previously used. This innovation made cell phone technology more affordable and accessible, showcasing Mendy's ability to leverage existing technologies in novel ways to achieve significant advancements. His early exposure to various scientific fields and his adaptability, honed by his previous experience finding a way when facing challenges, played a crucial role in his success.
Resilience forged in fire.
Mendy readily admits his early career was fueled by a touch of naivete, humorously reflecting,
"I was too stupid to know it couldn't be done."
This mindset, however, was crucial in tackling seemingly impossible tasks like the sonar system we mentioned earlier. His unwavering determination stemmed from a deeper well of resilience. Mendy's adulthood began early. At 14, after losing his father, he became responsible for his 10-year-old sister while their mother was away for up to 2 weeks, working as a traveling saleswoman. This experience was his first trial by fire, proving he could overcome obstacles even when seemingly unprepared.
A recipe for success.
Breaking down walls and building teamwork is Mendy's recipe for innovation in life. Faced with the seemingly impossible task of the 3D sonar system, Mendy refused to be deterred. He meticulously dissected the project, breaking it down into achievable tasks for his small team, a mix of technicians and eager engineering students. This wasn't just about efficiency. It fostered a collaborative spirit, with Mendy's unwavering belief,
If they assigned it, it must be possible.
driving them to find inventive solutions together. With each hurdle overcome, doubters became believers. The power of consistent effort and a strong team, a team Mendy built himself through collaborative leadership and dedication, shone through. This became a cornerstone of his success, breaking down perceived limitations and building a collective force to achieve the extraordinary.
Impact of Mendy's innovations.
Mendy's groundbreaking work in developing a digital beam former for 3D sonar systems and advancing CMOS technology for power amplifiers has had a lasting impact. His technologies silently power the interconnected world we rely on, from naval operations to consumer electronics. Naval and marine applications. Mendy's 3D sonar systems are integral to advanced sonar used in submarines and ships for detecting and mapping underwater environments. Inventory tracking. His advancements in CMOS technology have miniaturized and lowered the cost of RFID tags, enabling wider use in asset tracking systems. Test and measurement. Mendy's contributions to CMOS technology have also led to the development of more advanced and efficient test equipment used in research labs for testing complex electronic components. Mobile devices. CMOS technology is critical in the power management systems of smartphones and tablets, improving efficiency and reducing costs. Consumer electronics. CMOS technology is widely used in portable electronics such as laptops, wearables, and IoT devices, enhancing their performance and affordability. Telecommunications. CMOS technology enhances the performance of cellular base stations and other network infrastructure components, making telecommunications more efficient and reliable. Through these innovations, Mendy has significantly contributed to advancements in various industries, highlighting his role as a pioneering engineer and innovator.
Advice for future innovators.
Mendy's journey is filled with valuable lessons for anyone facing similar challenges. He emphasizes the importance of resilience, teamwork, and an open mind. Building and managing a great team is crucial, as is the willingness to make mistakes and learn from them quickly. He recommends not fearing making wrong decisions, as these can lead to invaluable lessons and ultimately the right solutions. His experiences in both his high-tech career and entrepreneurial ventures, including meteorite dealing, underscore the importance of adaptability and continuous learning. All of this culminated in this desire to help others by becoming a leadership coach.
Lessons learned in action.
Today, Mendy draws on the lessons learned from hands-on engineering and collaborative problem-solving to show how engineering principles can enhance leadership skills. His own transition from engineer to leader exemplifies the universal value of problem-solving, resilience, and teamwork. Mendy's ability to bridge ideas, disciplines, and communities has been instrumental in his success, highlighting the importance of open-minded exploration and effective communication.
Mendy's innovation mindset.
Mendy's experiences translate into these key lessons. Challenge assumptions. Fresh perspectives, even those born from not knowing, can be powerful. Learn from mistakes. Every setback is a chance to grow. Failure becomes a stepping stone to success. Break down problems. Make complex challenges manageable by dividing them into smaller, more achievable tasks. Find a way, always. Persistence and resourcefulness are key to overcoming obstacles. Lead by example, collaborate. Inspire others through your actions, and build strong teams through collaboration. Lifelong learning. Curiosity and a commitment to continuous learning fuel innovation. Mentoring and coaching, key for high-performing teams.
Conclusion.
Mendy's story isn't just about groundbreaking innovation. It's a call to action for anyone who dares to dream big. He reminds us that the most valuable tools we possess aren't found in textbooks, but in the fires of experience, the stumbles, the breakthroughs, and the unwavering belief that solutions exist. His journey compels us to challenge assumptions, embrace challenges, and build a community of relentless problem solvers. The world needs more Mendys, those who bridge disciplines, ignite curiosity, and lead with an unshakable belief that impossible is just a starting point.
Mendy Ouzillou is a leadership coach, business consultant, team facilitator, and meteorite expert. He advises early-stage startups and multi-billion-dollar companies on competitive strategies, executive coaching, and process improvements. He lives near Austin, Texas.
If you want to learn more about Mendy's work and how he currently supports others from his consulting practice, please visit momentum.com with 2M at the beginning, or visit his LinkedIn page at Mendy Ouzillou. Remember, even the impossible can be a starting point for innovation.